Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The 6 classes of living things are Buddhas. It is sure that our own minds are the Dharmakaya without our seeking it. It is sure that everyone is a great spirit. Once we have found certainty, it is not possible that we change. This is why those who desire the experience of great bliss are yogins who are endowed with 4 things: non-contrivance, non-attribution, non-distraction, and clarity. We must understand that these are methods for settling ourselves. Our ideas about what happens and our feelings are thief children. Our intentional works and those that come from the force emerge of themselves, but their essence is empty. We are at peace with the resolve that our feelings do happen, and we feel them. Our true nature has nothing to think about. What do we think about with our thinking? It is a river of ideas. We have nothing to think about, but there is nothing else, and it is contradictory. So we do not think of anything at all. Think about it. Do not create thoughts. Non-attachment has no attachment. Attachment also has no attachment. It is like drawing a picture on the water. It appears to be clear, but it is beyond any visualization. All of the Buddhas, with none excepted, have gathered to teach dharmas that do not reach the end. They certainly do train those who agree individually, but for a meaning that is sure, we have no more than one.